Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Dodge Caravan oil change light. It is a straightforward process that ensures your vehicle's maintenance system is up to date after an oil change. Keeping this light reset is crucial for accurate tracking of your service intervals and helps maintain your engine's overall health and longevity. Let's dive into the steps to get this done quickly and correctly. To begin, you will need to turn your ignition key to the on or run position. It is very important that you do not start the engine. It should remain completely off during this step. For models with a push-button start, simply press the start button without your foot on the brake pedal. This action powers up your vehicle's electrical system, preparing it for the reset sequence. Next, with the ignition still in the on or run position and the engine off, fully depress the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor. Then, release it completely. You need to repeat this full depression and release action 2 more times, for a total of 3 times. Make sure to perform all 3 presses within a 10-second window to ensure the vehicle registers the command correctly. Once you have completed the 3 accelerator pedal presses, turn your ignition key back to the off position. Wait for a few seconds, perhaps 5 to 10, to allow the system to process the reset. Finally, turn the ignition back to the on position or start your engine to confirm that the oil change light has successfully turned off. If it remains on, simply repeat these steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.